Alright, let's make saving money totally automatic. No more forgetting to move cash into your savings or investment account. Just set it and forget it. Here's exactly how you do it, step by step, using a few popular banking apps. First, open your banking app. Let's start with Chase. Tap Transfers. Tap Schedule Transfer. Pick checking account as source. Pick savings account as destination. Enter amount to save each month. Set frequency to monthly. Pick your date. Hit schedule. That's it. Money moves automatically. Now let's try Ali Bank. Go to Transfers. Select Recurring Transfer. Choose Accounts. Set how often. Pick weekly. Pick bi-weekly. Pick whatever suits you. Confirm. Done. Want to invest automatically? Open your investment app. Fidelity. Robinhood. Look for automatic deposits. Look for recurring investments. Pick funding source. Choose investment account. Select amount and frequency. Confirm. Quick tip. Start small. Even $10 a week adds up. If income changes, adjust or pause transfers. Saving for a rainy day. Building your investment portfolio. Automating transfers keeps you on track without thinking. If this helped, hit the like button. Tell me which app you use to automate savings. Catch you in the next one.